Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section with the apps. So let's enter App Management and tap on App List. Now let's pick the three dots icon and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And here, as you can see, your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.